How are you guys? We are going to make a DIY inner fenders using these. I got these from Walmart for like $4 for the pair. So, and this is my axial SCX10. It was a deadbolt, and I have had inner fenders for the deadbolt, but they are too low for the new Cherokee body. I'm gonna show you how to make these into inner fenders. First off though, I'm gonna cut this in half right alongside the length here. It's not so, the contours of the chassis is not so hard because it's relatively straight from, you know, for end to end of the wheel. So I'm just gonna cut this in half, and then I'm gonna clean up the lines when I figure out the final placement. So we have a rough wheel well here. It's simply gonna sit like that behind the shock mount. We may or may not need to trim this lip. I personally like to have this on here so no rough edges will be rubbing against the body from inside, so we'll see. So once I have centered our DIY wheel well here, I am just going to mark where the screw holes go in, and then make a hole, and then put back the shocks. So that's the rough placement of our inner fender. We'll see how this goes with the body on. Sits flush inside the wheel well here. No rubbing. Ooh, kind of like that. Okay. So as you can see, we didn't even have to trim the outside lip, so there's going to be a nice protection for the inside of the body here in case something pushes this against it. So I didn't even plan on it. I'm kind of glad that happened. So all we have to do is paint it black. Obviously I can't yet because it's too cold, so that's gonna have to wait. I may have to just put a vinyl decal on it for now, but yeah, once everything's said and done, it should look like this. That's the exact same material I did for the deadbolt before. Once it's painted, it looks really nice. So just do the exact same thing on the other side and you'll be all set. And by the way, if you should know, it's this. Head to your local Walmart, find that one. I bought 2 pairs, so I have 4 containers there. But obviously, as long as you cut it in the middle lengthwise, you should have enough for all 4. So I mean, for $4 and cost of paint, a cheap, easy way to pretty up the rig, that's for sure, instead of seeing those wires and whatnot over there. So alright guys, I'll see you for the next tech tip. Hope you guys have a good one.